Okay, so we're going to sketch the graph of y equals sine x degrees. So we make sure we label our axes, x and y, and we put in our key 5 points on our x-axis, 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360 degrees. Don't go in straight ahead and sketch the graph. Make sure you mark your maximum value of 1 and your minimum value of -1. Then mark the key areas, the key points, which are 0, 0, 91, 180, 0, 270, -1 and 360, 0. And then connect those points to create a smooth wave. That's y equals sine x degrees. The next one we're going to sketch, we're going to first of all just put in our key points on our x-axis again. And we're going to sketch y equals 2 sine x degrees. This time the maximum value changes to 2 and the minimum value becomes -2. So the amplitude or height of the wave is increased by a factor of 2. So again our points are 0, 0, but instead of 91 we've got 92, 180, 0, 270, -2 and 360, 0. Mark off points and then connect the dots to create a smooth wave. Okay, the next one we're going to sketch is y equals a half sine x. Again, that half changes the height, the maximum and the minimum value by a factor of a half, so it becomes a maximum of a half and a minimum of a -1/2. Again, mark the key points so before you sketch the wave. So your maximum now is 90/2 and your minimum is now 270 -1/2. It cuts the x-axis at 0, 9, 180 and 360 as before. The next graph we're going to look at is y equals minus sine x degrees. So the fact that the sign in front of sine is negative, the graph is inverted this time. So instead of getting a maximum value first at 90 degrees, you will get a minimum value first at 90 degrees. So we go from 0, 0 to 90 -1, 180, 0 to 271. So the maximums occurring at 270 degrees and the minimums occurring at 90 degrees. So that is your graph of y equals minus sine x degrees. Just get rid of that little mistake. Okay. Next graph we're going to sketch is y equals minus 3 sine x degrees. So again, because it's a negative coefficient in front of sine x, the graph is inverted, but it will be a minimum at 90 degrees of -3 and a maximum at 270 degrees of 3. So again, take the time to mark your key points on your x and y axis. Again, don't sketch the graph straight away. Mark all points, 0, 0, 90, -3, 180, 0, and connect the dots, 273, 360, 0.